the next topic, periodical journal. There we have very similar the periodical journal and voucher template. Only the main differentiation is if you want to know when that voucher template you have used, it is then very difficult to know when it was used last time and how frequently it has to be a post. That one also you will not have any information. But if you go and create by using periodical journal, there you can set time and intervals, and even if you want to know that when it was posted last time, the system will get update and will be track each and everything. Suppose if I created an electricity, there might be a chance to create multiple times that to make the payment multiple times as electricity expenditure. Instead of that, what you can do that if you can use your periodical journal, even if you want to post it repeatedly, the system will not be allowed, because the system will let you know that it was posted already, and if you select another date, then the system will be allowed. There you can define frequently, how frequently you want to post. Do you want to post on daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis? You can update that one. Okay. And if you want to create a periodical journal, you should have to create at least one journal. That journal type, it should be periodical journal. Simply go to your general ledger module, click on journal setups, click on journal names. In this page, simply click on the new, enter periodic. Okay, this page you should the journal type, it should be periodical. Okay, and then you should have to create virtual series. Take the right click on new details, and then click on new, make it as per the client requirement. Get it periodical journal. Then select the company, update the company 001. Then you can remove the company as fixed one. Then I can update it, which I want to have it. Okay, if you want to use 9-digit, you can use it. Otherwise, if you want to use it 7-digit, you can use that one. And then you can make it continuation. You can select the large, because there you have used 7-digit. Here also you should have to use the 7-digit. After getting updated, simply click on the save, so that the journal name will save, and then you can go back to your periodical journal, and then you can update it. Okay, so far it's clear. Anyone have any doubts? Okay, so why we have created periodical journal is because if you want to create your periodical journal, at least one journal it must be required. Due to that, I just created as periodical journal. Yeah, Kausalya Garu, is it clear?
sir, is clear, but if someone will ask you what is periodic journal, so how will explain? Like, what is the definition for this?
Yeah, that is I'm going to see periodical journal in the sense that is even will ask what is the difference between your periodical journal and voucher template also. The periodical journal will let you know that how frequently that transaction it has to be posted and when it was posted last time and when will be the next posting. The system will get update if you are going to use voucher template. If you are going to use if you are going that is the no periodical journal. If it is the voucher template, when it was used, how many times it has to be used and post, we do not have any tracking. So when you don't have any tracking, you can use multiple times to post it. To avoiding that one, what you can do that, you can use periodical journal. By using that periodical journal, the system will stop you to post duplicated transactions. Okay. So once
Yeah,
we
okay.
created the journal name, and then we'll go to our periodical task. And here you can find the new periodical journal. Let us take I'm paying the rent. Okay, you can select the journal name as periodical journal. Okay. Office rent periodical journal testing. Simply click on the lines. So I'm using 1st October. So this is an rent, right? Rent expenditure, which is an IT consulting practice, IT department operations. Okay. This is not just selected. Then here you can make it IT. You can make it 45,000. Then here you can select option called from where you are used to making the payment from bank of income. Then the subsequent financial dimensions have got selected. Simply update in US. So here you can define that one. What is that one is how frequently you are going to make. I'm going to make frequently on monthly number of times. One. Okay. Once if you updated, this is the general tab. What you are going to post, the same will get updated. If you are going to use invoice, that invoice and posting profile, you can see this one. This is about the due date for 107 tax. If it is applicable, you can select. This is about the periodical. Then you can update monthly once so that the system will do the calculation. Okay. And if you want to post it repeatedly within the same month, once if it is posted, then the system will not be accepted. This is the way just to simply create periodical journal template. And then later, if you want to retrieve it, go to your general entries, click on general journal. Okay, simply make it new, select our journal name. Then simply click on the lines. Once if you click on the lines, then you can go on run your periodical journal. If I click on my periodical journal, retrieve the journal. In this case, I can select from date. The from date is October 1st and due date is 31st October. And what is the journal I want to use? Office rental. And here you can see this one, two options. If you select the copy, what we have created, the same it will be copied in this journal line. If you select the move, what we have created, that template will be moved out to this place. You cannot find again if you want to use the same periodical journal. Okay, so I'm just selecting copy and then simply click on OK. Once if you click on OK, then the system will go and do the validation and will calculate. And here you can see this one. We have selected monthly ones, which is from 1st October and October. November, December, January. And here you can see this one, 4 lines which we have created on here. Okay. So if you want to run once again by using the same day, the system will not be allowed to create it because already create and posted. Okay. Let's see where it will get updated. Simply click on report as ready and then make it approved and then click on the post. Once if you click on the post, then the journal will get posted. Oh, here we have an currency issue, I think so. Here we have an error message which is stating the main account is set up used only for debit. Oh, so anyone can guess why it is showing, why it is not allowed?
Yeah, from Bank of America, we can only debit the as we created it as we.
Exactly. This one will be allowed only debit. Okay. So we can reject it so that we can edit this amount. Okay. And then you can approve it once again. Report as ready. Approve it. And then you can post it. Now, once if you posted this journal, so that if you go back and see your periodical journal, there you will see that when it was run last time, you can track it. But if you go to your virtual template, when that time, when that virtual template last time used and posted, we will not have any information on that. You go and see that one. Here you can see this one. This was executed on 1st January 11th, 2023. that was executed. We will have some reference for background, but the virtual template, you will not have any reference. You can use as many as you want and post it. That is the main differentiation in between virtual template and your periodical journal.